Are you a corporate professional who is really good at what they do and you haven't been back to the office in 24 months and you know the great return is coming? Or maybe you've already gone back to the office and you've looked in your closet and you wonder, oh my gosh, is what I even have in style? Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, amazing women just like you, helping you to design a wardrobe that is uniquely you so that you are getting dressed with ease. You are feeling confident, you are on brand, and you can't wait to be seen. Today, I want to talk about one of the new colors for spring, and that is basil. It is a shade of green. It really is new to the fashion scene, if you will. And as a certified More Alive with Color expert, I've worked with hundreds of women and determining and talking about colors and what are their best colors. And I have found personally, many women are kind of in the two camps. I love green or I don't love green. And so you may be feeling that right now as you're looking at this basil green, having that subconscious feeling, do I like it or do I not like it? So what the color green, I love the psychology of color because this really emanates growth and wellness, which is really, as you step into spring, that's how you want to feel, especially going back to the office. You want that feel good feeling. You want to feel comfortable. You want to feel confident in your clothing. So I want to leave today with a couple tips. The first is, I want you to look at your eye color. Do you have any little even speckles of green in your eye? If you do, I really, really encourage you to try on a shade of green. So this basil, as you can see, it's a subtler color in the shading of green, but you're also seeing a lot of brighter greens, emerald greens, just various shades of green, and which is a little bit typical as we go into spring because it's our season of growth, right? So if it's not basil, it may be more emerald or some shade of green. And you may be thinking, okay, Annette, this is a lot of green. I'm not sure I'm ready for all that. What you might try is a beautiful scarf. So this has various shades of green in it, and that might be what you're looking for. I love it with this basil. I know it would be beautiful with a classic white blouse. It would be beautiful with a darker, more emerald shade of green. You could even put it with yellow. You could put it with denim. So it's kind of your accent piece. So I would love to know what you think of basil green. And if you are interested in learning more about color and thinking, Annette, I need help with color, I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com and to visit my Reveal Your Radiant Signature program, which is kind of a head-to-toe transformation where I do offer color. So I look forward to hearing your thoughts on basil green.